Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A new year means a new start, and today we will talk about New Year's resolutions for learning English. If you are a beginner, don't worry, this video is easy, slow and for you. Let's start together. What is a New Year's resolution? A New Year's resolution is a promise. You say, this year I want to do something better. For example, I want to be healthy, I want to learn English, I want to be more confident. Today we focus on English learning resolution. Resolution number 1, learn a little every day. Learn English a little every day, not 3 hours, not 2 hours, just 10 to 15 minutes every day. Small steps are better than no steps. Examples: 5 new words, 1 short video, 1 simple sentence. Consistency is the key. Resolution number 2, build simple vocabulary. Resolution number 2 is about learning useful English words. Start daily words with food, family, work, travel. Don't learn difficult words. Write words in a notebook and review them every day. Resolution number 3, speak without fear. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. You can speak to yourself, repeat after videos, speak with friends. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak now. Resolution number 4, listen every day. Listen to English every day. You can listen to YouTube videos, songs, podcasts for beginners. Even if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Your ears are learning. Resolution number 5, watch and read simple content. Watch and read easy English. Example: short videos, children's stories, simple subtitles. Do not use difficult grammar books now. Simple English is powerful. Resolution number 6, practice pronunciation. Repeat words out loud. Hello, thank you, how are you? Use slow videos, pause and repeat. Your accent is okay. Clarity is more important. Resolution number 7, set realistic goals. Set easy goals. Bad goal: I want perfect English in 1 month. Good goal: learn 100 words in 3 months. Speak 5 minutes a day. Small goals equal success. And finally, stay motivated. Some days are easy, some days are hard. And learning English is a journey and not a destination. Don't quit. Remember, you are learning for your future. You can do it. Now tell me in the comments, what is your English goal this year? And finally, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.